Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs that don't stick. First, select the right pan. A good quality nonstick pan is your best friend, or a well-seasoned cast iron skillet works wonderfully too. Make sure your pan is perfectly clean before you begin. For cooking 1 to 3 eggs, a 9-inch or 10-inch pan is usually the perfect size to ensure even cooking and easy flipping. Next, proper heat and fat are crucial. Place your pan over a medium-low heat setting and let it preheat for about 2 to 3 minutes. This ensures the heat is distributed evenly. Then, add about 1 tablespoon of butter or your preferred cooking oil. Swirl the fat around to completely coat the bottom and sides of the pan, creating a protective barrier for your eggs. Now for the eggs themselves. Crack your eggs into a small bowl first. This helps prevent shell pieces and allows for a more controlled pour. Gently add the eggs to the preheated, greased pan, being careful not to overcrowd it. Cook them over that consistent medium-low heat. For perfectly fried eggs, cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the whites are fully set and opaque. Finally, the moment of truth, releasing your eggs. Use a thin, flexible spatula, like a silicone or nylon one, to gently slide under the edges and then completely beneath each egg. They should lift off effortlessly. Slide them directly onto your plate to enjoy. Remember to clean your pan promptly after use to preserve its non-stick surface for many more delicious, stick-free egg meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.